Alright guys, you can see all of this kind of modeling is our 3-dimension printing modelings. We are printing these things is that we try to make the correction and the comparison from our draft to our design and to this modeling. So this is a couple of our 3-dimension models we are making before. Alright, let me insert this red horse. This red horse is the idea to be when we want to build something, we have to have the image. After image, that will be drafted. That is this process we do for. Alright, let me go to this side. I will show you something very interesting and very amazing things. Here is the place for the 3-dimension video making. So 3-dimension video making it stands for the architecture model making. So it uses the 3-dimension math to try to show exactly clear relationship between this particular building and the environment, to try to compare with the flooring drawing or other kind of mapping stuff. The video 3-dimension modeling is much more relevant and directly views to show us about our concept and our idea as well. For example, this one is a model to try to tell all of the audience about we have image as the university zone. The left-hand side is the university area for study with the kind of education buildings, and the right-hand side, that is the buildings are these communication centers. That is using for the meeting and to have the commercial activities. During this area, we have take the consideration about the ways and the public transport regions to try to make the combinations well. So for the north part of the university, we had sitting the landscape and the sports area to try to make the linkage among sports, nature studies, and the commercial. Alright, thanks for your show. Alright, moreover, so if you got